Hi, Mrs. Rituja Gadge, Assistant Professor from Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology. Today we'll be discussing a numerical on least square approximation to fit a straight line to the given data points. We are solving a problem of fitting a straight line to the given data points by using least square approximations. Right? So we are given a set of data points with x as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and y points as 0 0.5, 2.5, 2, 4, 3.5, 6 and 5.5. Right? So how do we solve the numerical? We first write the values of x. Values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Values of y given are 0 0.5, 2.5, 2, 4, 3.5, 6 and 5.5. Now when we have to fit a straight line, we have to solve two normal equations, right? And the straight line is given as y is equal to a plus bx. Y is equal to a plus bx. And the two normal equations which are given are summation of yi is equal to na plus b into summation of xi. And second normal equation is summation of xi yi is equal to a into summation of xi plus b into summation of xi square. Now we have the values of x, we have the values of x, we have the values of y. We need to find out xi into yi, right? So I will write x into y, right? And I need to find out what? I need to find out square. I need to find out xi square. So I will write x square, right? So we do the multiplication. When you do the multiplication, you can see 1 into 0.5 is 0.5. 2.5 into 2 is 5. 2 into 3 is 6. 4 into 4 is 16. 3.5 into 5 is, how much it is? 17.5. 6 into 6 is 36. And 7 into 5.5 is 38.5. Right? Then you take x square. X square, 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. Right? Then we have to take summation of xi. So if you add this together, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. Summation of xi comes out to be 28. Then you require summation of yi. Summation of yi, if you do, you will get it as what? You get it as 24. Right? Then summation of xy is equal to, if you add these numbers, your summation of xy is 119.5. And summation of x square comes out to be equal to 140. 140. Right? So the next step is we have to form the normal equations, right? So to form the normal equations, you have to write summation yi is equal to na, where n over here stands for number of data points. Right? So how many number of data points we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So n in our case is what? 7. Then we form the equation. So summation yi, summation of yi will be what? 24 is equal to na, that means 7a plus b into summation of xi, which is what? 28b. This is your first equation. The second equation is summation of xi yi. So summation of xi yi is 119.5 is equal to a into xi. So xi is what? 28. So 28a plus b into summation of xi square. So 140b. Right? Now you have two simultaneous equations. Right? You can solve this by the methods which you have studied in the school, by eliminating a or eliminating b, or you can solve the same by what? You can solve the same by Cramer's rule. Right? You can solve the same by Cramer's rule. Right? So by Cramer's rule, how do you solve it? You first have to find out delta. How do you find out the delta? To find the delta, you make it 7, 28, 28 and 140. Right? So you find out delta. So it is 7 into 140 minus 28 into 28, which comes out to be 196, which comes out to be equal to 196. Now, when you have to find out the a coefficient, what you do is you remove this and you put the coordinate values over here. So 24 and 119.5, and you find the determinant delta A. So how do you find out determinant delta A? Determinant delta A will be equal to, it will be equal to 24 119.5, 24 119.5 and 28 and 140, 28 and 140, 28 and 140. Right? So you will get delta A, which is 24 into 140 minus 119.5 into 28. So if you calculate, you will get the value as 14. You get the value as what? 14. So your delta A comes out to be equal to 14. Similarly, to find out delta B, what you do is, when you find out delta B, you will remove 28 and 140 and you will put the values 24 and 119.5. So your determinant becomes 7, 28, 24, 119.5. Right? So your value is 7 into 119.5 minus 28 into 24, which comes out to be 164.5. Right? Now to find out the value of A, you will do delta A upon delta. Delta A upon delta. So your delta A is 14 and delta value in our case is what? 196. So you will put 196. So A comes out to be 0.07142. Similarly, to find out the value of B, you will do delta B upon delta, which is 164.5 upon 196, which comes out to be 0.8392. Right? And our straight line is y is equal to A plus bx. So our straight line will be 0.07142 plus 0.8392x. So this is how you solve the numerical by least square methods to fit a straight line to the given data points.